Spacious patio home in sought-after community. Spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit has large windows, skylights and high ceilings. Baths have been recently renovated. Bamboo flooring throughout the home. At bedrooms have access to fenced patio-great garden space west/storage closet. Open floor plan with dining and living rooms is perfect for the entertainer. Large kitchen has plenty of cabinets and storage space. Unit has a 2-car attached carport. Guest parking is very close to the unit. Unit is very close to the amenities pool and tennis courts. Close to shopping and restaurants. Must see. East Cobb location.